All right, AJ, so today you get to cook dinner. And
Sounds great.
all right, and so you're gonna make, what are you making?
I'm making a pizza, clearly.
So what kind?
Because the iconic pepperoni, the cheese, the sauce, and
Okay, and so we got you, to make this easier, we got you some dough. You can actually buy the dough already made at the bakery section of your local grocery store.
yeah, it's really convenient.
Yes, it is. You washing your hands? Good boy. I don't even have to tell
I
you.
almost forgot.
That's awesome.
It's really hard.
Okay, great.
Okay, now I'm ready.
All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing you're gonna do, you gotta flour your area. Let's go.
Alright, so what you want to do is just take the flour and then just sprinkle it on there like that. And then just sort of spread it out. Or you can take the rolling pin and just.
Really, AJ? No, you need to. Yes, you can flour the rolling pin. You gotta put some on your hands. Put it all out. Get your dough. Put your dough on there. Spread it out. You've done this a million times. Okay, get your dough. Put the dough on there.
Okay, come on. Oh god, it feels like blobfish.
It is like a blob. Just pick it up and put it on there. Okay, sprinkle a little bit of flour on there.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Rub it on. Okay, get your flour and pin. Get your pin.
And then
Now,
just,
yes, but rub the flour all over the pin. It's already some on there, right? You already have it on there.
yeah, you just want to go like this. See?
Okay, and you're gonna roll it all out. So this is where it's gonna go. So I got this big pan. I was like so excited when I found this pan, but I was like, what am I gonna do? I really wanted to make like a big peach cobbler in it, but I think it'd be great for a deep dish pizza.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah. So lay it down. Oh, it's making air bubbles.
Yeah.
So you need some more flour on the pin. So just rub some more on the pin.
Oh no, I got some right here.
Yeah, you can take some of that. Yeah. Put it in your hand and roll it on there. Yeah, and just roll it all the way down. Yep, like that, all the way around. And then put some on the dough as well. And when you roll it on the dough, you're gonna roll it both ways. It's like north, east, south, and west. Okay?
Yep. So you go up.
North to south, and then
Side to
yeah. And you gotta roll it down kind of hard because you gotta get it
Yeah,
flattened
just
out.
really just roll it. Imagine that this one pin is a steamroller and you're just trying to
A what?
make a new road.
Oh my
Just
God.
really gotta get it in there.
Yep, get in there. Just some elbow grease. Get in there. Get a workout. Get in there.
Yeah.
Get in there. There you go. There you go, brother.
Yep, I like
So
how
you
that
see the
looks.
big circle. So you see the circles that are on your board.
Yep.
So y'all see
So that's
he's
how
got
big the
circle.
pizza
So
should be.
yes, there you go. Keep rolling it out. Roll it out.
Gotta keep rolling
Stretch it out.
until it gets onto the grid.
There you go.
Okay, yep, it's coming along.
So now you're gonna stretch it out.
Yep, so you just pick it up and then
Okay, we're not gonna toss it, AJ. Don't try to toss it. Don't try
I'm
to
not
be
trying to
fancy.
toss it. I'm not
Okay.
trying to be fancy.
All right, just pick it up and let it stretch out all the way around.
So you just gotta.
Yeah, like that. Just go all the way around. Let it hang down and stretch out. Hold it up so gravity can take it. There you go. Let it stretch out.
Yeah, you just gotta.
Bingo.
You just gotta let gravity do some of the work for you.
There you go, brother. And then what you're gonna do? You're gonna put it in the pan.
And then you gotta spray it.
Okay, so you can come over here. Put it in your pan. You already sprayed. I already sprayed the pan for you.
Yeah.
Now just stretch it all the way out. Just pull it out.
So you really just wanna turn it like this, and then just stretch it out on all angles.
All right.
Just draw like a circle.
All right. Good job. Okay.
Alright.
Now you gotta turn it and push it.
Yep. Yeah, so you can make the crust.
Well, that's what it is, a pizza pie.
Yeah. That looks like pie.
You know, when mommy lived in Italy, they have all kinds of pizza. They put potatoes on pizza. They have arugula salad on pizza. There's breakfast pizzas that have eggs on them. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff on pizza in Italy. But you're just making pepperoni today, right?
Yep.
All right.
There
Okay,
we
so
go.
next we're gonna do our sauce. So you ready for your sauce?
Yep.
All right, let's go with your sauce.
Sauce is my favorite part.
Right, and you're gonna put the sauce in the middle.
So you just gotta put it in
Yep.
the middle at first.
More. I think you need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just get the bowl. Hold the bowl up. Hold the bowl in one hand. Okay, is it too heavy for you? Be careful, it's glass. Just get the. No. You have to do it. You're a chef today.
We're not with spoon.
You're using the spoon to put it in the middle.
Okay. Yeah.
Just keep putting some in the middle. Just keep putting it in the middle. If the bowl's too heavy for you to hold, just keep putting some in the middle. Don't be scared. AJ, don't be scared of it. You got to use all of it. Just yep, there you go. Yep, just dump it in the middle. Dump it in the middle. Let's go more. You got to think about it. You got to put sauce over the whole thing, right?
So it's like all over the place?
Yeah, but put it in the middle right now and you're going to swirl it out. Just put some more in the middle. You need a lot more. Oh gosh. Okay, and start swirling it. Don't go to the edge. Just swirl it into the middle. And start swirling it. There you go.
Yeah, it's looking good.
There you go. Swirl it out to the crust part.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, you need your cheese. So you got it all spread out now.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and start just sprinkling the cheese all over, not on the crust, but just all over, okay?
Alright. Yeah, it's starting to come up.
Until it's completely filled. We want to use up all the cheese. We want it good and cheesy.
Yeah.
All over, all the red should be covered with cheese. If you need some more, we'll get more. Well, you're doing a good job of spreading it all over. So after this, we're gonna go get some. We're gonna go to the garden and get a little bit of basil, fresh basil, and we'll put a little bit of that on. That'll add extra flavor. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's fancy kind of pizza.
That makes it fancy.
Yeah, it's pimping out pizza.
You pimping out your pizza.
Yep.
Oh my God. Okay.
Fancy pizza.
All right. You're doing a good job of evenly distributing it throughout.
You gotta get it on the edges.
Okay. All right. So we finished that up. Now we're going to head out to the garden. Okay. So we're just going to come out to the garden and get some basil. We've got basil growing everywhere. So we even have basil that sprouted up. I ended up dropping seeds and they grew into the gravel. So we have some right here, and we have a bunch over here. So we're just going to grab some basil, and we're going to go back and cook it. Put it on the pizza, right?
There's a little bee getting nectar right there.
Oh, it's a bee on it. That's tomatillo plant. They like
A
tomatillos.
bee in action.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and cut some basil, and we'll get going. What you got?
Yeah, we got some basil right there, harvested straight from the garden.
Yum. To me, what does it smell? You can smell it. It smells really strong, doesn't it?
Ooh, that is strong.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna put the clippers back. I want to show everybody. Look, the potatoes. We have potatoes growing in the little potato bags, and they're growing. Yay! Soon we'll have potatoes. All right, so we are back inside and picked some basil. We got some fresh basil, and you're gonna just tear your leaves off. Just pluck them off, and you can put some on here. You can make whatever kind of design you want with it.
You're not gonna be ready for this. You're not gonna be ready for this design.
Are you really trying to get fancy?
Voila.
Awesome. Okay, let's
That's
do.
great.
All right. So we got it all spread out.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna see what one tastes like. Because I don't think I've actually tasted one before. I think I might have.
You,
But
I know
anyways,
you always eat mint. You eat up all the mint.
yeah.
It's similar to mint, right? It's very strong. It's a strong flavor. Okay, now you can get your pepperoni. You can put them on there.
Yeah, this is my second favorite part, the pepperoni.
Okay, push it up there so you don't drop your.
Maybe.
You don't want to drop the bowl. And you're just gonna put the pepperoni all over. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I like to think of pepperoni as like polka dots on a circle. Like edible polka dots on an edible circle.
Okay.
So basically I just like to do it like that.
Okay, can we start getting them on there though?
Yeah. One there, one there.
You can overlap them too.
There.
It needs to be completely covered with pepperoni.
One here, one there. Yeah, it's better. One there. One there. You just want to completely clutter it. But if that's not your style, you don't have to do that.
So you can actually do like half the pizza something else if somebody else doesn't like pepperoni, right?
Yeah, they might be vegan.
Well, I mean, if they're vegan, you don't want to put it on there at all. They just do their pizzas completely separate because the juices could get on it, and you don't want that. But if like somebody wanted sausage and half pepperoni or something like that, then you can do that.
Ooh, yeah, I bet that would be tasty. Because I've eaten sausage for breakfast and that's really good.
Yeah. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put that joker in the oven. Okay, we're going in the oven. And kids, if you don't know how to use the oven, you let your mom, dad do the oven. Let go. I got the camera. Okay, so we got the pizza in. It's in the oven. And I have it on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So you do know you're supposed to be watching the pizza, right?
Yeah, but I just want to take a break. You know.
You gonna burn the pizza?
Well, you're the one who want to make the pizza.
Well, I would like to eat, but you're supposed to be cooking for everybody.
I'm not even
There's plenty of kids that cook. I cooked when I was your age. So,
but I
okay.
haven't mastered it.
All right. So, we're going to put that down and you got to check the pizza. All right. I hear a timer. Let's go. Let's look at it. It's rising. Look at it. It's good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. I think it's done. Oh. All right. Got to get the glove. Woohoo! Look at that pizza. Look at that pizza pie. I hope it's done. It's really thick. Alright. Light off. Alright, AJ. I got the pizza cutter. It looks pretty good. What you guys think? It's looking good. Alright, we're gonna cut her up. You gonna taste it? You gonna try it?
Yeah, let's taste this thing.
Okay, this is how we usually cut our pizza. We cut it kind of square pieces. Ooh. Oh no, all his pepperonis fell off. All right, there you go, brother. It's hot. All right, we're gonna let it cool down. So how is it?
It's great. It's amazing.
Just so you smacking loud enough, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the basil?
Yeah, I can taste those basil juices in there.
It's got basil juices. Awesome. Yum. It was so hot though. All of your all your cheese started sliding off.
You gotta kind of eat like little pieces of this because it's so hot.
It's so hot, yeah, because all of the cheese is still really super hot, so it just started sliding off. All right. Well, I guess your pizza gets a thumbs up, yeah?
Yeah.
1 or 2?
I give it 2 thumbs up with 7 out of 10. Ooh wee.
Ooh wees. Okay. So now you know you don't have to make your own pizza dough. You can buy your pizza dough from your local bakery.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications for any time I drop a new video.
Oh my God, that's good. Give me some of that sauce.
It really is good. It's
That sauce is good.
Actually, the main part of the pizza, especially a breadstick.
Mmm. Oh my God.
So half pizza, half breadstick.
I'm cheating. I'm not supposed to be eating bread. It's so good.
We're eating good.
Oh my God, good. It's yummy. Mmm. All right. Okay, that's enough. I can't eat anymore.